Assalamualaikum, my name is Islamam and my presentation topic is Hadith. Hadith number 1. Sincere Goodwill. Tamim ad-Dari reported, the Messenger of Allah, peace and blessing be upon him, said, Inna ad-Din an-Nasihata. Verily, the religion is sincerity. Hadith number 2. Minding our own business. Ali ibn Hussein reported, the Messenger of Allah, peace and blessing be upon him, said, Inna man hasna al-Islama mazi tarkata ma la yaghni. Early from the perfection of Islam is that a person leaves what does not concern him. Source Sunnah at-Tirmidhi 2318 Great Hassan. Hadith number 3. Be in the world as a stranger. Abdullah ibn Umar reported, the Messenger of Allah, peace and blessing be upon him, took hold of my shoulder and said, Kan fit dunya kanata gharibi aw abir as-sabil. Be in the world as though you were a stranger or travel along the path. Source Sahih al-Bukhari 6053 Great Sahih.